Hey everyone, today we will discuss what is supercomputer. So, as the name suggests, supercomputer, it is a form of computer in which the hardware components and software are in the extreme levels. Let's discuss in details. So, you see, this is a CPU of a supercomputer in which this which is far bigger than a normal PC's computer and CPU. And there is a lots of RAM sticks, storage in the supercomputer. All the equipments are oversized and well maintained. So, what are the key features of supercomputer? So, processing power in if we use personal computer, the processing power of is quite slow in comparison of supercomputer. We see in supercomputer they are multi-user which process their applications or their programs at a real time. So supercomputers come with a huge processing power, parallel processing. Second part, which is parallel processing. So a supercomputer can process numbers of programs in the same time without lagging or heat issue. Third is memory and storage. Supercomputers have a very large memory size and storage. Uh, in supercomputer, we store variety of data, so we need large memory size and storage. We have a data center, say, a quite big as a room size, a specialized hardware. We have a specialized hardware. So in supercomputer, we don't use a personal computer hardwares. In supercomputer, all the hardwares are designed as the requirements. So, what are the applications uh, which we use supercomputer? So, in scientific research, engineering, cryptography, artificial intelligence, we use supercomputers. In the field of scientific research, uh, you will have to see in the field of space agencies and in the medical field, all the work is done with the help of supercomputer. They have to take a look at the large data files and variety and numerous factors. So in supercomputer is used in scientific research, engineering field. So if you see in engineering, the aerospace engineering and robotics, the supercomputer is used to design its structure. Um, like if you want to build an aeroplane, all the diagrams will be built in the supercomputer and the rendering and whatever you see the sitting positions and machineries all are done in the supercomputer. The simulation which is used to train pilots are also done in supercomputer. Cryptography, and in the field of crypto chain, this is highly secure field of the IT, in which cryptography a supercomputer is used. And in if we see artificial intelligence, the chat GPT, Copilot, all the AI nowadays are learning with human. So with a huge data, all the person in the world are using AI. So AI is now training with the help of humans. They are learning how to develop it and help humans. So their data are stored in the supercomputer, and they are learning um, how to get a better service to the humans. So there are many challenges which are caused in the supercomputer. First is cost. So generally, um, computers are basically made of semiconductors, which are quite expensive. So if you want to build a vast computers which have a data centers like buildings, then the cost of the computer will be rise so much. And second is power consumption. So power, you have to run a quite big machine, so power consumption will be too high. And software. So you have software in supercomputer, as I discussed, they are multi-users using their programs. So there will be a need of software which can handle multi-programmings and multi-users at the same time. So this is a picture of a ISRO control center. You see this, and there is a supercomputer which is used to uh, train and monitoring the launch of any rockets and it is a spacecraft. So you see there are the numbers of users and window which are connected to a single CPU, CPU, or you can call as a computer, which is supercomputer. So in a real time, they are all using computer. They have to handle different tasks, and a single computer is managing their various tasks. So they requires a quite large processing power and parallel processing, which are the key features of supercomputer. um, if you see in a space agency, the supercomputer has to render the image of celestial bodies, the orbital path, the launch vehicles data, the launch time, and a variety of numbers of data. So a supercomputer is suitable for managing that programs and data. Thank you for watching. Like and comment and subscribe for further updates. Thank you.